Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. We discuss about satellite image resolution enhancement using dual-tree complex wavelet transform and non-local means. In this project, it is an image resolution enhancement method based on dual-tree complex wavelet transformation coefficient, and the NLM dual-tree complex wavelet transform is applied to extract the coefficient. After wavelet transformation, we apply the NLM and to denoise the signals. Then we take the invariance wavelet transformation to reconstruct the image. Finally, we analyze the enhancement image by calculating the PSNR and immersive value. The discrete wavelet transformation based DWT RE schemes generate a wavelet domain approach based on dual-tree complex wavelet transformation, and non-local means is proposed for RE of the satellite image. A satellite input image is decomposed by DTCWT to obtain high frequency subband. The high frequency subbands and low frequency resolutions input images are interpolated using the Lagrange interpolator techniques. Data flow diagram, we discussed about pre-processing technique and dual-tree complex wavelet transformation and interpolation and NLM and inverse dual-tree complex wavelet transformation and performance estimations. Now we describe about pre-processing technique. In this model, the loaded test image is converted into RGB color channel. A channel in this context is the grayscale image of the same size as a color image made of just one of this primary color. An RGB image has three channels: red, green and blue. Now we discuss about dual-tree complex wavelet transform. The dual-tree complex wavelet transform is a complex value extensions to standardized discrete wavelet transform. It is a two-dimensional wavelet transformation which provide multi-resolution sparse representation and useful characterizations of the structure of an image. It calculates the complex transform of a single using two separate DWT decomposition. If the filter used in one are physically designed different from those in the other, it is possible for an DWT to produce the real coefficient and the other the imaginary. Now we discuss about interpolation technique. Interpolation increase the original sampling rate for a sequence of to high rate. Using a Lagrange sampling techniques is typically used to increasing the sampling rate of digital signals or to shift it by a fraction of the sampling interval. Interpolation perform low pass interpolation by inserting zeros into the original sequence and then applying a special NLM filter. Now we explain about non-local mean filter. Non-local mean is an algorithm in an image pre-processing for image enhancement. The weight of each pixel depends on the distance between its intensity grade level vector and that of the target pixels. The non-local means NLM means algorithm addressing the preservation of structure in a digital image. Now we discuss about inverse dual-tree complex wavelet transform. After shrinkage, the image will be given to the inverse dual-tree complex wavelet transform method. Here we convert the image to the original form. It is the reverse process of DTCWT transform. After applying inverse wavelet transform, we get reconstructed image. Now we discuss about performance estimations. These results are estimated using MSE and PSNR formula. Peak signal to noise ratio, often abbreviated PSNR in an engineering term, for the ratio between the maximum possible power of a signal and the power of corrupting noise that affected the fieldly of its representation. Because many signals have a very wide dynamic range, PSNR is usually expressed in terms of the logarithmic decibel scale. Now we run that coding. First we select the main and run that coding. In dataset we have 6 images. We selected for second image. Now coding will be run. Now we see about the figure 1 output. It is represented the input of the image. Now we see about the figure 2 output. It is represented for the red channel. Now we see about the figure 3 output. It is represented for green channel. We see about the figure 5 output. It is represented the horizontal, vertical and diagonal direction of the images. Now we see about the figure 8 output. It is represented for 50 channel enhancement image. This is the final output. The enhancement image will be shown. Now we see about the figure 9 output. It is represented for blue channel enhancement image. Thank you, myprojectbuzzer.com.